Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 8 and the name of the lesson is The Glory of Bharatvarsh. So let's start the lesson. Since ancient time, people of various tribes and sub-tribes have come to India attracted by the prosperity of India. As a result, there is a confluence of diversity in Indian culture. Jawaharlal Nehru calls it unity in diversity. Now, next is ancient India agriculture. In ancient India, there were an arrangement of various tools and irrigation facilities developed for farming. At that time, wheat, barley, paddy, jowar, millet, sesame, peas, etc. were cultivated. Next is tools. In Harappan culture, plough has not been found among tools used in agriculture, but plough-shaped toy has been found. So it can be said that they were using plough for farming. Use of iron tools had been increasing in the field for agriculture. It includes axes for clearing forest and front portion of plough used for ploughing soil. In addition, they were familiar with sickle, axe, etc. also. Irrigation. Without rich villages, it was difficult for king and their kingdom to survive. Just as new tools and seedlings were important step for development of agriculture, irrigation also proved to be very useful. At this time, canals, wells, lakes and artificial reservoirs were created for irrigation. Next is ancient India rural life. In North India, the head of village was called Gram Bhojak. The Gram Bhojak was selected mainly as the biggest landowner of the village. This post remained hereditary. The king also gave the responsibility of collecting revenue to the Gram Bhojak. There were three types of people in South India. Number one, big landlords. Number two, small farmers. Number three, landless laborers. Now, next is life in towns. In ancient time, a fort was built to protect the capital. Spherical wells, known as wells, have been found in many cities. These wells were used for toilets or as dustbins. In ancient times, the people generally wore two clothes. The cloth of lower part of the body was called nivi and the cloth of the upper part of body was called vas. The cloth like dupatta was called adivas. Now, next is ancient Indian art. Historian divided ancient art into two parts. Number one, fine art. Number two, performing art. Fine art includes drawing, painting, literature, architecture, music, clay, art, etc. Whereas performing art includes dance and drama. Now, next is literature in India. Indian literature is divided into three sections: religious, non-religious, and description by foreign travelers. Now, religious literature. Vedas are the oldest religious literature of India. Brahmin text and Aranyakas were created to explain Vedas. Brihad Ranak text was the most important text of Aranyaka. Shatapat Brahmin and Gopat Brahmin were also the important text. In the epic of Ramayana and the Mahabharata, there is a triangular confluence of ancient Indian society, culture, and religion. The Mahabharata, written by Vedvyas, was initially known as Jay Samhita. The Ramayana, written by Valmiki, depicts social life and moral standard along with the story of Lord Rama. The number of Upanishad is 108. The Upanishad like Katha, Ken, Prashna, Mundak, Mundukya, Isha Vashyam, and Chandogya were the great text of Indian philosophy. The number of famous Puranas are 18. Vishnu Puranas, Garud Puranas, Vayu Puranas, Matsya Puranas, etc. are the main Puranas. Bhagavad is known as our special text. The original text of Buddhism is called Tripitaka. It includes Sukta Pitaka, Vinaya Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Beside these stories, Dighanikya, Anguttara Nikaya, Majjhima, Milind, and Sri Mulakalpa are the important texts of Buddhism. Moreover, Brihad Katha, Harivansh Puranam, Vasudev Hidi, Siddhem Sabdhanushashan, Dvaya Kirti Kamudi, etc. are the main text. In Tibetan language, two Samhita like Kangyur and Tangyur of Buddhist texts are famous. Jain texts are called Agam text. They are 12. The ancient literature of Jainism is divided into 14 parvs and 12 angas. The main text of Jainism includes Agams, Acharyang, and Vaitalik, Dasha Vaitalik Sutra. Now, student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.